Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing some Bohemian knotless braids. I really do need a relaxer, but I've decided not to. My hair is really thick. I'm just going to blow dry my hair to make it more manageable and easier to braid. So usually I don't use hair grease, but today I'm gonna use it because my scalp is extremely dry. Guys, I know I look tired. I'm like super tired. I did not sleep last night. TMI, but we're gonna do this, okay? So anyway, so I bought this Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil plus peppermint oil circulation blend. So I want to get used to putting this in my hair every day just to keep my scalp moisturized because it's really thick, especially on the edges, the non-existent edges. Goodness, these things are not growing for nothing. Today I'm not gonna braid my hair. I'm just gonna pre-part and getting the hair, the boho hair, ready. By the time you see this video, hopefully everything will be in motion. I'm trying out a new vendor for my new Bohemian knotless braid brand. Hopefully it's a good vendor, and my plan is to sell boho extensions, different textures and different lengths. So that's my plan. So hopefully that works out. As a matter of fact, speak it into existence. It's gonna work out. My mirror is right here. Middle. Maybe. Then it hard from the middle to the ear, like.
Give me a hug, give me a hug. 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 I miss you. Give me a hug, give me a hug. I miss you. Give me a hug, give me a hug. I miss you. Give me a hug, give me a hug. I miss you. Give me a hug, give me a hug. I miss you.
So I'm finished parting my hair into 4 sections. This is just so it's easier for me to handle.
Conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you got in mind. My baby, my baby. Girl, you know that savage love. Girl, you know that savage love. Gotta turn my bitch up, 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 turn my bitch up. Turn my bitch up, turn my, know I gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch up, turn my bitch up, turn my, know I gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, gotta turn my bitch up, turn my, hey. On my ways, cause a lot of broke niggas run away, riding around town and they looking for my face. Gotta pray to God above me, girl, you know that savage love you, and I hope that you feel the same. Tryna be the one for you, but my nickname true, and I hope that I can change. Girl, you know that savage love you, girl, you know that savage love. You gotta turn my bitch up, 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 turn my. Know I gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch. Gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch up, turn my bitch up, turn my. Know I gotta turn my bitch up, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch, TT, turn my bitch. Gotta turn my bitch up, turn my. Hey.
Okay guys, so I'm finished. It's not perfect, but it'll work.